This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've started a WhatsApp voice call. Act now to prepare to switch. Make sure WhatsApp has camera permission. Without it, you cannot convert to video. Once the call is connected, check your network indicator and switch to speaker if you want hands-free. That avoids accidental camera activation. You're taking immediate steps. Keep the call active, confirm permissions in settings if needed, and get ready to tap the on-call controls to change modes. Now focus on the in-call controls. Tap the camera icon to request a video upgrade. Why? WhatsApp needs the other person's consent to start their camera and share video streams. Once you tap, a prompt is sent and you'll see a connecting animation. Do not hang up. If the other user accepts, your call converts to a video call seamlessly. If they decline, you remain on voice, so communicating why you want video helps speed acceptance. Once accepted, you're on video. Adjust camera, enable front or rear, and use mute when required. Make sure both sides see each other and audio levels are normal. If the switch fails, one common fix is to confirm camera and microphone permissions in your phone settings, then retry. Also verify Wi-Fi or cellular data quality. If problems persist, end the call and start a new video call directly from the chat as the cleanest fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.